Hello, beginning linear algebra students. You may be having questions about r raised to the n. I'm using the example and definitions from Linear Algebra with Applications, open educational resource found at this website, which will be posted below the video. Now, one of the reasons we use that, it actually comes from abstract algebra, which you may not have taken. And so I'm going to try to walk you through exactly what r and r raised to the n mean. R stands for real numbers, and we write it with a very special R. It's called a script R, and you can tell that it's meant to be very inclusive. And if I was going to just graph R, I'd probably draw a number line with a 0 in the middle and a positive side and negative side. And I could map every single real number on this number line. Now, r squared is, surprise, surprise, in the second direction. And we think of this as like an x-y coordinate system where any point is identified with two numbers, in this case pi and 2.17. When we come to r cubed, well, we're now starting to think in 3 dimensions. So it's kind of like a block, kind of picturing a block there. And any point is labeled in x, y, z form. So we'll have an x-axis, a y-axis, and a z-axis. And we keep it in that order. If we want to go to r to the 4th, well, guess what? We're going to have 4 entries. And this is an ordered 4-tuple. It just says from the first, we'll take a 3, first a 1, second a 3, then a -4, then a 0.51. And I can't really draw a picture of that. Even, x to the 5th, well, it means we're going to have 5 entries. So 6, 30, -0.6, 1, pi, just random things. And in keeping with the abstractness, we just say rm or rn, meaning it's a number that we recognize. And it's usually, it's always a number between 0 and whatever you want. But it'll be one of those natural numbers that you can count on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And the set of all ordered n-tuples means that every possible n-tuple with real numbers lies in this space, r raised to the n space. So all possible points with x and y are going to be in an xy plane, or r squared. And when we have these ordered set n-tuples, that's a big long word, so we just call them vectors. And I'll stop there so I can keep this video under 5 minutes.